Last week, I brought you some breaking news that on F-150s, if we can get you approved with Ford Credit, you get 2.9% for up to 84 months. I cannot stress what this means for you. We've had customers coming in from all over. We've had leads from all the way from Oregon. It's because of our relationships that we built with Ford that we can get you bought and into a brand new Ford F-150 for up to 84 months at 2.9%. Right now, until the end of the month, next Monday, 8/31, if you qualify to get approved with Ford, you get 2.9% financing. It's a deal like no other. It's one I've never seen before. So you've got to come out and take advantage of it. We have a great selection of F-150s. I'm working on buying F-150s from other dealers right now to bring them in. But if you're looking for the best selection, now's the time. Just a couple of deals to tell you about so far. We saved a customer who was paying 11% interest. We got them down to 2.9% interest. They're saving over $200 a month. We've had customers that were declined with Ford Credit that because of this incentive, it lowered their interest rate so much that Ford Credit bought it. If you have an F-150 or you want an F-150, if you have a Ram pickup, a Chevy pickup, a Toyota pickup, whatever you're driving and you're considering getting a new vehicle, come see me at Preston Ford for your best deal on a new F-150. 2.9% financing is available for up to 84 months. 0% financing is available for up to 36 months. Plus, you get up to $1,500 in rebates, and there's a ton of certificates out there. To learn more, reach out to me on my cell or call or text 410-829-0034. If you're watching this and we haven't completed your deal yet, it's time for you to stop in and come and see me. The deal has never been better. Come get yourself an F-150 at Preston Ford. Start your shopping online at PrestonFord.com, where we have one of the largest selections on the East Coast of F-150s. But the F-150 supply is going down every day because we're breaking records this month. We're talking about being one of the top 25 dealers in the month of August. Come be a part of all the excitement at Preston Ford.